So guys, now we are going to do as another CTF challenge name called Who Wants to Be the King? So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So I just make as little bit quick. So I just type sudo su, enter your password. Now we just type here as net discover minus I in 0. So first we would like to identify our target network machine. So I have identified here my network machine is here direct. So now let's wait. So I have identified. Now just type here as nmap minus people minus a as an aggressive scan, enter our targeted IP address. 192.168.18.a69. That's it. So let's wait for the nmap result. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with SSH, another one is available with Apache server. So we would like to walk to the targeted domain. We just type here as 192.168.18.69. So where we have got this a uh, key logger. Now we just come back here. Now just type here as awg get http. Just enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.69. We just type ski logger. That's it, where I have got this is key logger. Now let me, I just type here as a clear. Now I just type here as uh let's here as is key logger. Just copy. Now I just type file is key logger. So just like ELF file, it may be an Linux file. Now I just type here as strings. Now let me paste this keylogger. Now we would like to analyze this keylogger. So here I not get anything else as could not be determined a keyboard device or file. Use is keylogger, but I have file. This is an interesting thing. So just copy this one. Now let me, I just type clear. Now I just type here as echo. Then let me paste this. Just type paste64 as a deco where I have got it here. A something as useful. We would like to just copy this one. Now let's walk to here. Open here. Let me paste it. So I just make it as a little bit big. Then you can understand. Tech price. So just like we have found here. Who says Decroix, uh, Decroix, Sunfair, Damon, Leonard, Lena, and so on. So we would like to look as so first of all we just go back here. So first we just type it as a google.com. So it may we would like to convert this one into an English. So we can't able to get here very clearly. So now I just pasted this Decroix uh, got uh, cast. So uh, here here is like a dangerous. So here we would like to Game of Thrones, season 8. So we would like to utilize this 8 address. So we would like to utilize this. So just copy. Now I just open a notepad. Let me I just paste this. So you just type here, go to here. So I would like to utilize this entirely. Now just come back here. Now I just try here as with the sh. Let me paste this. Now just enter our target IP address 192.168.18.69. Now just type yes. Password is you just copy this password. Now let me just paste it. I have successfully logged in here. Now what is next? I just type plus minus f. Now we not yet get here. Now just type plus. We just type cat a secret. Find a home please. So just type cd home directory. Now just type plus minus f cd uh, denris. Now just type plus minus f. Again, it will come here. So how we would like to get access this? So we would like to look here is something as interesting as now we would like to look. Now, I would like to hear as a secret. Now we just close this. Now, cd dot a local. Now just type plus minus f. Cd share plus minus f. Now just type here as a dendris dot chip. Here I have got this. Now you just type let me just copy this. So just type here as unzip a dendris dot chip. So where extracting this one. Now just type ls minus m. Now we just type here as copy. We just type cat. Then let me paste this. Uh, user share as sounds a node.txt. Just copy. Now just type cat a node.txt. I'm Carl. So where another username is a Carl. So now to find who is Carl, we would like to go to any Google again. Now just type here as who is Carl. Oh, sorry, Carl. Sorry, K-H-A-L. Carl. So here, Carl, we have got here. Uh, who are Carls? Here we not yet get anything else. So now we would like to look here. So we would like to look this in this Carl's biography. We would like to look this a Carl commanding a reference Game of Thrones. So we would like to utilize here as Carl Drogo. This is good here. A car dot key. It reveals the Drogo. So I would like to present the password here as let me just type here as call call driver. So Drogo, that's great. So call Drogo, just copy, come back here. Now you just type su root. Now let you just paste it. So I have successfully came to a root access here. Now just type list minus here. Now just type cd root list minus here. Now just type cat nice.txt. Congratulations, you have a good day. It was given here a something, a basic stripper. Now let me just I just copy this. Now just type echo, then you just type h. Then let's you just decode as basic stripper as decode. And so he was given a YouTube link. That's it. So we have successfully PWN the CTF. So it right around guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.